Morning. Hey, morning. Can you hear that? Dinosaurs. Those are called sandhill cranes. They're like dinosaurs. Basically, I wanted to show you the disappearing and reappearing lake. Look at that. Morning haze. Yeah. Just heated up the leftover coffee from yesterday. Bringing it all in, taking it all in. Morning haze. I was gonna go on a walk, show you guys the big field and stuff, but essentially it's raining, and if I get my aunt's camera wet, I think she might, I don't know what she'd do. She'd probably like hold me down and shave my head or something, or like worse, I don't know. So I'm playing it safe by the house. Look at that. Listen to the rain. Can you hear the rain? Look at it. Raindrops keep falling on my head. It's a song. Okay, well I guess my plans were foiled because of the rain. Hey, look. Chester. Can you see him? Chester. Hey, bud. Where were you? Chester, where were you? Chest. Where's Willie? Willie, where's your collar? Uh-oh. Guess I got today's mission. Willie came back without his collar on. That's a bad thing. So, put on a raincoat, I guess, and go in the woods and look for the collar. That's my day today. Got it. So, after coffee, I guess I know what I'll be doing. Willie! Alright. Over and out. See you later.